Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install a TREBLE ROM to your phone. Okay, so let's talk about the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need your custom ROM that supports TREBLE, which I have over here. You're gonna need your bootloader on your phone unlocked, and you're also gonna need ADB and fastboot, like this one here. So the next thing is to boot your phone into TWRP, as you can see here, and do a factory reset. So let's now wipe cache, data, and data. So just wait until this finishes. Okay, this is not finished. We're gonna go back, reboot bootloader. Also make sure your phone is connected to the PC. Okay, so as you can see, I'm now in the bootloader. Okay, so now get your TREBLE ROM and extract the image from it. On some phones the image might not exist, and there would only be system files in here. If that's the case, then just flash the zip file inside TWRP. Okay, so now the image file is extracted. We're gonna get the minimal ADB and fastboot, and we're gonna open a command prompt here, and then I'm gonna type fastboot -u flash system space, and then just drag this in and press enter. And now my PC will flash the ROM to my phone. This is almost done. You just need to write the final system partition, the system chunk, and as you can see, now it's finished. And now what you have to do is type fastboot reboot on your PC, press enter. Now your phone will reboot, and it will probably reboot twice. First it will start booting and then it will reboot. That's completely normal, so just wait a few seconds. And as you can see here, my phone is now booting, so it rebooted once and now it's booting into the AOSIP. So this might take some time, so be patient until it boots. It also may reboot a couple of times to adjust to the changes, so just give it time. And as you can see, the phone is now booted. It may say your vendor image does not match the system. That's because this is a TREBLE ROM, and as we know, we are keeping the stock vendor. But as you can see here, everything still works perfectly fine. Some ROMs like this one may require you to flash Google Apps, otherwise you won't have the Play Store app and all that other Google apps to install other apps on. Yeah, so if you're lucky enough, your ROM does come with Google Apps, but if it doesn't, just turn off your phone, boot it into TWRP and flash Google Apps. That was a tutorial on how to install TREBLE ROMs on your phone. Thanks for watching. Like if this was helpful, and subscribe if you're new, and see you soon.